morning, students. Today we are discuss about the topic Biot-Savart law. The Biot and Savart conducted many experiments to determine the factors on which the magnetic field due to current in a conductor depends on the result. The experiments are summarized for the Biot-Savart law. Let us consider the conductor X, Y. The conductors carrying current I. Okay, the small element AB is the small element. The element length is called TL. Okay, next in the small element of the conductor, the point B at a distance r from the conductor, and the midpoint O. The midpoint O, the point B at a distance r from midpoint of O. According to Biot and Savart, the magnetic induction TP, the magnetic induction TP is the TP is due to the element of length TL. If actually the TL is the element of length, the element AB is the element length வந்து TL consider பண்றோம். Okay, next இந்த TL இந்த பிளேஸ்ல உள்ள magnetic field என்ன, magnetic field எங்கே மெஷர் பண்ணோம்னா at a point B ல மெஷர் பண்றோம். இந்த ABங்கிற small element எடுத்துக்கிறோம், small element length TL. Okay, next at a distance r distanceல ஒரு பாயிண்ட் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்றோம், the point B. இந்த பிளேஸ்ல என்ன magnetic field அப்படிங்கறத மெஷர் பண்ண போறோம், magnetic induction அப்படிங்கறத மெஷர் பண்ண போறோம். Okay, next here according to Biot-Savart law. The Biot-Savart law, the magnetic induction is directly proportional to current. This produce the magnetic field. It produces a magnetic field. எதை டிஃபைன் பண்ணிருக்குன்னா, the circuitல flow ஆகிற electric current டிஃபைன் பண்ணிருக்கு. Second one, the magnetic field is directly proportional to length of the element. Okay, next the element உடைய length டிஃபைன் பண்ணியும் இந்த magnetic induction change ஆகும். Okay, next the magnetic induction is directly proportional to the sine of angle between the TL and the joining the point B, the line element. Okay, next here the TL is the small element. Let us consider the point B. Here produce the angle theta. Okay, next here the sine angle between for TL and the joining element. TL and B join பண்ண பிளேஸ்ல ஒரு angle form ஆகுது, that angle theta. Here producing for sine theta. Okay, next the magnetic induction inversely proportional to square of distance. Okay, next the distance r. இந்த distance வந்து increase ஆகும்போது magnetic induction கம்மியாகும். இந்த distance கம்மியாகும்போது magnetic induction increase ஆகும். இதான் law. Okay, law first, the magnetic induction is directly proportional to current carrying conductor. Okay, next magnetic induction directly proportional to length of the element. The magnetic induction directly proportional to the sine angle between for line joining elements and the point B. Okay, next magnetic induction inversely proportional to square of distance. That's called Biot-Savart law. According to law, the TP is directly proportional to element I dl sine theta by r square. Okay, next here remove the symbol. Here put the constant TP is equal to K I dl sine theta by r square. K is the proportionality constant. K is the proportionality constant. K is the proportionality constant. Okay, next here K value, K is equal to mu by 4 by. Here mu, what is mu? Mu is the permeability of the medium. Mu is the permeability of the medium. Here put the value TB is equal to mu by 4 by I dl sin theta by r square. Okay, next here already known mu is equal to mu r mu naught. Here mu r is the relative permeability, mu naught is the medium of permittivity. Okay, here permeability. Here permeability of free space, mu naught is equal to already known, mu naught is equal to 4 by into 10 power minus 7 Henry per meter. Here mu r value is equal to 1. Okay, next from the equation, TP is equal to, TP is equal to mu naught by 4 by I dl sin theta by r square. Let us consider the in a air medium, the magnetic induction produced on the at a point B. TP is equal to mu naught by 4 by I dl sin theta by r square. Okay, next here vector form. The vector form TP vector is equal to mu naught by 4 by I dl vector in the r vector divided by r square, divided by r cube. Here multiply r, here also multiply r, so r cube. Okay, let us consider the vector form. Let us consider Weier's law. Thank you.